I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Let's talk about keeping the same face across a whole set of AI images. A consistent character in AI images is one of the hardest things to ask of a generator. Each run rebuilds a new face from scratch, so the same prompt gives you a different person every time. Why? An AI image starts from a random seed, and the model has no memory of the face it made a moment ago. And the small details we read as identity, the spacing of the eyes, the shape of the jaw, are exactly what words cannot pin down. So consistency is a technical problem, not a prompting trick. You have to give the model an anchor beyond language. So how do you lock a consistent character in AI images? Work up a ladder. Lock a detailed description and reuse the same seed. Then use a character reference, feeding the tool an image of the face. For a whole project, train a small model on a handful of images of your subject, and clean up any drift with inpainting. Where does it still break? Extreme angles, strong expressions, big changes in hair or age. So keep your hero shots close to your reference angles. Come see what else AI can do with your photos at aiprophotography.com and subscribe on YouTube so you never miss one.